Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie, and this is Shepherd's Rain. Shepherd's Rain are from New Zealand, and they sing in Maori. I am not going to, at any point in this video, mention alien weaponry. Ooh. Anyway, because it's just an obvious go-to, isn't it? So I'll just get that out of the way. I've said it, I won't say it again. So they're singing in Maori, like I say, so you'd be surprised to hear I don't speak Maori. This song was in my bookmarks from a while back, and I don't remember anything about it. But if I've put it in my bookmarks, then at some point I've kind of gone, that's the kind of thing. Doesn't mean I haven't heard it. I've just checked it out, kind of thing, in the not listening to it kind of way, and gone, yeah, that sounds like that sounds interesting, sort of thing. So I really don't know what we're getting, and I really don't know what to say about it, other than the things I've already said. And this is the album Ala Mei, and this is I'm almost certainly saying that wrong, right? So, and this is the song, the title track from the album. So I'm not going to say that again. I don't know. Maybe they sing that word. Let's have a look at the lyrics. Do they sing it? And then maybe I can pick up. Oh, it means awaken. There you go. Ala Mei, or however you say it, means awaken. Let's just find out how they sing it, and then maybe I'll be able to say it afterwards. Sorry about that, everyone. You'd be surprised. There's lots of English words I can't say, so I didn't stand a chance, really. what a slick, professional, commercial sounding thing that was, which really surprised me because I was expecting it to sound rougher. I was expecting it to sound cheaper because it sounded expensive. You know, it's got just had a very slick, expensive sound to it. I think I was expecting more of a down and dirty, in your face band. Maybe not right down, like grungy kind of thing, but less slick, I guess. So I'm kind of sort of surprised. It's super well done. It is incredibly professional sounding, which is almost an insult because I think I was expecting it to be less safe sounding. It sounds like, for all of its metalness and, you know, and that great beat, and like I said, the thing is, I really enjoyed it, but it wasn't what I expected. And I don't think it's something I would listen to because it has such a commercial sheen on it. I don't. Where am I going? So for me personally, and let's face it, that's all this is, it's an opinion. It sounded like something that would play really well on a radio station that had some guts to it, you know? But it felt like it lacked some of the sincerity that it was going for, and I think that's all down to the production and the God, I go on about production a lot, but it can make or break a song. But I think it's down to the production, and his voice wasn't what I expected. And the whole thing, I think, will play really well to a vast amount of people, which is great for them. You know, absolutely. I'm not saying you've done it wrong or anything. I think that a lot of people are going to very easily get on board with that. I think I just would have preferred it to have a little more of a kick you in the pants kind of sound to it, because it comes across as we've got something to say. I don't know. I don't speak Maori, and there is a translation online in the lyrics, but I haven't read it. But you know, it comes across as we've got something to say. We're talking about something that's important to us, and you know, we're from this incredibly proud culture, etc., etc. And it is emotionally charged, and you do kind of feel yourself drawn towards it, and all of those sorts of things. So I thought it would be more aggressive than it was, I guess. So it's one of those where I can't fault it, and I think a lot of people are really going to like it. I think just for me personally, it wasn't as hard hitting as I thought it was going to be, or as I think I would like it to be. That's what I think. There you go. Shepherd's Rain got this album. I didn't quite pick up on how he said it. So Alam Maya, was it? Anyway, it looks like that. And this is the title track from it. Let me know what you think, of course. I do like seeing comments. It's great. Even I don't really like the ones where someone's just been a moron. But hey ho, there's always one in every bunch, isn't there? Let me know what you think, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.